Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here: which of the following can take the place of the blank in the series below? So, let's see. Let's try and see these members. So to do that, let's write alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So let's see. B and Y are together. E and V are together. Two are left from here, two are left from here. So next is H and S. Again, two are left, two are left. So if we leave two more, we get K, and two are left, we get P. So this should be K and P, and then we get N and M. So answer is option D.